faculty members, my dear friends, and to everyone present here, a very good morning to one and all. I am Bushra Fatima from the Department of AIML first year. So today, on the proud occasion of Republic Day, I invite you all to imagine something unusual yet powerful. What if our constitution could speak to today's youth? What questions would it ask us? What truths would it remind us of? Perhaps it would say, I gave you freedom and trusted you with responsibility. On 26 January 1950, our constitution was adopted, not merely as a legal document. It was not just a book of laws, but it was designed to teach our nation with equality, justice, and dignity. Dear friends, we speak proudly about our equality. We demand freedom, justice, and equality, but fall silent when responsibility calls. But if the Constitution could speak us today, it might pause and then ask us gently, do you remember your responsibilities and duties as well? We raise our voices loudly for freedom and fall silent.
Shavani Ramanujam. I am studying in BSc Maths second year. Today I am going to talk about a topic called voter empowerment. So and next, we all are like the voter. Oh mother, oh God, oh dear voter. You smile as you accept the bribe from the leaders, thinking it as a help. Is it a help? No, it is really not a help because you are making a silent agreement by exchanging your dignity with that green note, just a paper. It's just like you are handovering your all authority to power to question and to demand the wrongdoings happening in the society. So that's why think wisely before doing something. You may feel happy for a night, just for a night, but the reality strikes hard. The reality is that
a few words on the important topic, which is not a old one, which is not trending right one, and which not gonna be viral. So that is about the importance of teaching and teaching profession and qualities of a good teacher. Before going this, I just wanna tell teaching profession is not just a teaching profession as they are doing as their work. It's just serving the nation. It's a profession but which do not demands any of all other rights, but it shapes the future of our nation. And also, the raw fact we have to access and accept, which is without a teaching profession, all other professions will not exist.
The numerous social and economic benefits and promoting gender equalities and reducing
Indira Gandhi, Kalpana Chawla, and Mary Kom, who have made our nation proud. Indian government launched many schemes such as Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, women self-help groups, and digital. Marks is important, but they does not decide who we are. Marks is just show a number, but does not show who.
about the power of small things. We often think that to change the world, we
we are using only our freedom, unnecessary things. First,
Why we launch Operation Sindhu, we don't know.
Without voice and without mercy. It hides behind screen, fake profiles, unknown clicks. So one unknown click can change a normal life, turn into fear, shame, and a silence.
Great leaders we have seen in our past, like Rani Rudrama Devi. She ruled the kingdom in her centuries. Woman is not the tribute of Constitution was forced in India and shaped to the India. And my topic is about the.
and it is not a country. It is the emotion and unity of people. Our India is
Unpaid and unrecognized. Depending on financial basis, women are restricted. My name is Lakshmi Prasanna from BCom first year. Today I am going to talking about a very pleasant topic, that is and he got an IAS.
So today I am going to talk about a current situation which are going in the world. We are living in a time of rapid.
April 11, 1952, in Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. He was the son of Indian Air Force officer, and in 1973,
Today's education gives career, not character. In today's fast-moving education has become race, a race for marks, ranks.
Indian Constitution, the soul of Republic. Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th of November 1949, and it came into the effect from January 26, 1950. So we are celebrating Republic Day, the 77th Republic Day. So what do you mean by Constitution? Constitution means it is a supreme law of a country that defines the government structure, duties and their powers, and also defining the rights and responsibilities of a citizen. Indian's constitution is the longest constitution.
come into force on 26 January 1950. And